Imagine a world without instant communication across continents. No video calls to loved ones overseas, no quick emails to colleagues across the globe, no streaming your favorite shows filmed thousands of miles away. This is the world we'd inhabit without the magic of underwater cables. These hidden technological marvels form the backbone of our interconnected world, carrying vast amounts of data across the ocean floor with incredible speed and efficiency. They are the unsung heroes of global communication, silently facilitating our digital lives, enabling everything from social media to online banking. But what are these cables, and how do they work? How do they manage to stay functional in such harsh conditions? Essentially, they are bundles of fiber optic cables, thinner than a human hair, capable of transmitting information as pulses of light, traveling at nearly the speed of light. These cables are wrapped in layers of protective materials, engineered to withstand the immense pressure, extreme temperatures, and corrosive environment of the deep sea, ensuring that our global communication remains uninterrupted. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of underwater cables, specifically those enhanced with artificial intelligence, or AI. These next-generation cables are not just passive carriers of information. Instead, they represent a significant leap forward, incorporating AI to monitor their own health, optimize data transmission, and even predict potential problems before they occur. This means that these cables can essentially think for themselves, adapting to changing conditions and ensuring a smooth flow of data, even in the face of unexpected challenges. But what makes these cables intelligent? The answer lies in the sophisticated sensors and algorithms embedded within. Underwater AI cables are equipped with an array of sensors that constantly collect data about their surroundings and internal status. These sensors measure factors like cable tension, water pressure, temperature changes, and even seismic activity. This continuous stream of data is then fed into powerful AI algorithms capable of analyzing patterns and detecting anomalies in real time. For example, if a section of the cable experiences increased tension, potentially indicating an anchor dragging across it, the AI system can automatically reroute data traffic through a different path, preventing any disruption in service. This ability to self-diagnose and preemptively address issues sets underwater AI cables apart from their predecessors. Section 4.